So here comes the India's #1 smartphone brand. Yes, I'm talking about Xiaomi. Recently, Xiaomi has launched Redmi Note 5 and Note 5 Pro through flash sales in Flipkart, but now it is even available at MI Store. So I bought one from there. So hello friend, this is VJ back again with a new interesting video, and in this video of mine, we'll unbox plus even have a quick review of this Redmi Note 5 which has been recently launched by Xiaomi. So watch this video properly till end in order to know everything about this device, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below this video in order to get more interesting videos like this. So guys, without wasting any further time, let's start this video. So in the front of the box you get this Redmi Note 5 written along with the picture of the phone, and also it's written India's #1 smartphone brand. And on the back we get some specification written on the box, and also the price written over at the box is 10,999, and also it says made in India. So let's quickly open the box and let's see what we get inside it. So these are the all things which you get inside in this box. So first of all, talking about the charger, this is basically a typical Xiaomi charger which is rated at 5 volts at 2 ampere. It's not a fast charger. And next is the phone itself. I will remove the stickers and the cover. And also we get this transparent case with this mobile which is of black color. We also get a micro USB to USB cable to charge this device, and also we get a SIM ejector tool. So now let's talk about the phone itself. First of all, talking about the physical overview, on the top we have this 3.5mm headphone jack. We also have a secondary noise cancellation microphone, and fortunately the IR blaster is still there as that of almost every Xiaomi device. And on the right side we have volume up and down button along with the power on off button, and all the buttons are made up of metal. On the bottom we have these two vents. Left one is for microphone and right vent is for speaker, and also we have this micro USB port that is for charging. On the left we have this SIM tray slot which is actually a hybrid SIM slot, so you can put 2 SIMs at a time or 1 SIM and 1 memory card at a time. So now let's power on this phone, and by the time it boots up, we'll talk about the specification of this phone. This Redmi Note 5 is having a 5.9-inch screen, and now it comes in 18:9 aspect ratio. It has a full HD screen along with 2.5D front glass panel, and it is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. It is powered by Snapdragon 625 14nm octa-core processor, and it has Adreno 506 GPU. Also it has 4000 mAh battery. And now talking about the cameras, on the front we have the 5 megapixel camera with LED flash, and on the rear it has this 12 megapixel camera with f2.2 lens and with dual tone LED flash. And also on the back it has this fingerprint scanner, and this phone comes in 2 RAM variants, that is 3GB and 4GB. 3GB comes along with 32GB of storage priced at 9,999, and 4GB comes along with 64GB of storage priced at 11,999 rupees. So the phone has been booted up and I have set up this device. So first of all we'll go to settings, and in about phone you can see that it is running on Android version 7.1.2, that is Nougat version. We do not get the Oreo version out of the box. Hopefully we'll get it soon. And the MIUI version is 9.2, as it's a 3GB RAM variant with 32GB of storage, and as you can see that we get almost 23GB free out of this 32GB storage. And it has already found an update of 1.5GB. It's a system update. We'll discuss about it later on. So now talking about the apps and bloatwares. We have some Google apps pre-installed on this device, as you can see. And also we have some MI basic apps, and luckily FM radio and screen recorder is already present there. We also have some Microsoft apps which you can even uninstall to save some storage. Few bloatwares are also there, and you can even uninstall them as they are not part of the system apps. This MI remote app is already there for the IR blaster, which can turn your phone into TV remote, AC remote, music system remote. And the navigation buttons are already embedded in the display, which you can even turn off. As it's a 5.9-inch phone with 16:9 aspect ratio, you will not feel it hard to hold in hands. It is similar to holding a 5.5-inch phone, which is a very good thing about a 5.9-inch screen phone. Also, the screen is curved, which adds even more charm to the display. So now talking about the camera performance, Xiaomi claims they have improved the camera performance from Redmi Note 4, so let's check it out. So talking about the camera interface, to be honest, the camera interface is not changed at all if you are used to Xiaomi devices. Talking about the performance, the shutter speed is fast. As you can see, it does not lag at all while clicking the pics. I will post some sample shots taken in indoor-outdoor conditions for better understanding for you guys. So I have observed that in outdoor condition the photos comes out to be good, but in indoor condition you have to be little bit careful as you might get blurry pics. Also, you get 4K video recording support in this Redmi Note 5. So now talking about the camera performance, I have been using this device for a while now and battery performance is actually very good, but I will even test it more before giving any final verdict. Also, the fingerprint scanner works fine. As you can see that it works pretty fast. So friends, if you are having a budget of 10,000 or 11,000 and you want the best mobile of this category, then you can surely go with this device. So guys, this was all about this video, and if you want to ask anything about this phone or do you want me to make a video for anything in this device, you can comment down in the comment section below and I will definitely look into it. And do like this video if you like my work, because it motivates me for making even more interesting videos. And don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below this video in order to get more interesting videos like this. So guys, this is VJ signing off and I hope to see you in my next video.